Good morning everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa mga Momshie out there. Once again, it's a blessed Sunday and I'm here again sharing with you our recipe for today, for this Sunday, of course. Sa mga Momshie dyan, kung ano mga ginagawa ninyo, kayo ba ay nagluluto? Yes, naglilinis, of course. We need to maintain our cleanliness in our house dahil sa panahon ng pandemya, mas kailangan po natin pag-ibayuhin ang kalinisan ng ating kapaligiran at syempre, lalo na sa ating tahanan. Okay? So, we have a lot of things to be productive. The way you care your plants, the way you clean up everything, it's one way already to become a productive. So, it really work us to be more productive every day. Sabi nga nila, nasa tao ang gawa, nasa Diyos ang awa, right? So, we stay diligent and perseverance during this crisis that we are facing right now. So, once again, welcome to my Kusina ni Momshie, and I'd like to thank also to all the people who are really liking my Facebook page. Yes, thank you very much po. I really feel grateful, not only in the Philippines, of course. I'm also reaching out to all my Rotarians friends in abroad, internationally. I just want to say hi to them, hello. And of course, to all Momshie out there, and to all the mommies who really want to learn about the basic food that they need to prepare for their children, their patubis. So ngayon, dahil panahon ng taglamig, yes, di po ba? Kasi ngayon sa Manila ay talagang umuulan. So, ang magandang preparation natin na para sa Momshie ngayon na ma-share sa inyo, of course, we're going to prepare a kind of soup. We call it an egg drop soup. Yes, swak na swak ito. Itong recipe na to sa taglamig, at syempre, very low budget lang ito. Kaya pag wais na Momshie kayo, dito kayo dapat. At tara, panoorin po natin kung paano gagawin ni Momshie ang aking preparation for my egg drop soup. Okay? Tara, come on. So, ano yung mga sangkap na kinakailangan natin ipaghanda pag nagluluto tayo ng soup, our egg drop soup? Of course, we need our egg. Yes, this one. And we need, of course, we need our water for the soup, right? Kinakailangan natin ng sweet corn. Yes, that's what? That's the sweet corner. And of course, we need to have our carrots. Naka-slice na po siya para madali na lang. Then, kinakailangan ng sibuyas. At saka, syempre, kinakailangan natin ng luya. Ito po ay talagang maganda para sa ating katawan. Ito pa lang, nutritious already. Yes, you can get a lot of nutrients on this kind of vegetable. Okay? Syempre, kinakailangan natin ng wansoy. Yes. Pwede rin po sibuyas, no? Green sibuyas, leaves. Pwede rin po. Pero dahil sarado po yung tindahan, so pwede naman natin gamitin ng any kind of leafy vegetable. So, for me right now, for my egg drop soup, I use the wansoy. Okay? Syempre, since wala tayong chicken broth, pero okay din po pag gumamit tayo ng chicken broth, we can actually use our chicken cube. Okay? That's from Knorr. Yeah. And, depende po sa ating panglasa, we can add our salt. Yes. And of course, our ground pepper. Okay? So, simulan po natin ang pagluluto ng ating, what do you call this? Egg drop soup. So, bago ang lahat, I would like to thank, especially right now, who are viewing my Kusina ni Momshie. Thank you very much and blessed Sunday po sa inyo, and God bless you, okay? May the Lord continue to touch your life, and may He continue to your journey in life. So, Kusina ni Momshie is not only for the cooking itself, but actually sharing the idea on how to cook the simple recipe at home that you don't need to order in the Grab, or you don't need to go to the restaurant. It's not a problem. Okay? So, simulan po natin ngayon ang ating tinatawag na egg drop soup. Okay? Come on. Yes. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay, syempre, magpapakulo po tayo ng water. Yan. Depende po sa dami ng tubig yung ilalagay natin. So, You can use 1 liter or 2 liters of water. Like me, I'm going to just make a 1 liter of add water. Okay, so papakuluan po natin yung ating tubig, no? We'll wait until it simmers. Madali lang naman po yan eh, hindi lang ano. So, I hope you're doing right there right now. So, ngayon sa Manila ay sinimula na naman po ang ating GCQ, right? So, pag linggo, talagang sarado yung mga tindahan. You cannot go out anymore. So, make sure before weekend, nakapunta na po kayo sa tindahan at nakapamili na po na tayo ng mga basic necessity po natin. Yung mga essential po natin. So, yan. So, mamaya din po, I would also share, no, my merienda is a very delicious, very traditional, and very nutritious. We call it nilupak na kamoting kahoy. So, see you later po sa aming merienda. But I'm just going to do a video on that. Since Kusina ni Momshie is also busy in the church. Okay? So, yan. Wala pa. So, ngayon, sana nasa bahay kayo at talaga din nagluluto sa inyong mga sa inyong mga bahay-bahay, no? Para sa ating mga pamilya at of course para sa ating mga anak. So what make you busy right now? I hope you can also share here with Kusina ni Momshie. And of course, I like to thank all the viewers out there, especially for my friends, Infant Invest family. Yes. More in Bonnie or in Alabang City. Yes. And tomorrow is a work once again. Hope to see you guys. And I'd like to say hi to Luella, to Lizelle, to Vicky, and more else. To all my friendship out there who are close to my heart. So, maraming salamat sa panunood. And I hope also my habibi is watching my Kusina ni Momshie. Okay? So, malapit na po siya kumulo. Medyo hindi pa. So, yun lang po. So ngayon, it's a Sunday, so it's a time for bonding together with your family while eating. Although, this pandemic crisis really teaches a lot and give us more time to join together and eat together with our family, especially with our children. So, ang sarap po ng feeling kung parati natin yung ginagawa. Mas nagiging closer po tayo, not only sa pagkakainan, lalo na sa ating pananampalataya sa Panginoon ay talagang masarap po ang pakiramdam kung tayo ay magkasama-sama bilang magpamilya. Dito ba? Yes. So I hope everyone is feeling good, feeling better out there at your home. So I'm really praying a lot to all my friends out there that God will really touch your life more. Okay? So, malapit na siyang kumulo. Malapit na po mag-boil ang ating water. Malapit na siya mag-shimmer. So the things that you're going to do, actually, I forgot something. I should add this one, a cornstarch powder. But later, I go and get. We need also a cornstarch para maging malapot po yung ating sabaw. Okay? So, ito na siya ngayon. So, habang nagsisimmer na po, we can actually add doon already the sweet kernel. So, yan. Yung ating mais, pwede na po natin ilagay. Yan. So actually, madali lang po lutuin itong ating egg drop soup. Okay? Mabilis lang po. Actually, marami naman version sa egg drop soup, but this is the basic thing na mas madali. Then, syempre, dagdag po natin ang ating luya. Carrots first. Yes. Ayan. Ayan po. Then, ang ating sibuyas, ipahalo na rin po natin. And of course, our luya, our ginger, no? Yan. So, hintayin po natin yan kumulo bago natin ilalagay ang ating chicken cubes. So, habang hinihintay natin kumulo doon, concentrate ka lang, kukunin ko lang yung cornstarch. mag-lesser.
Nalasan ko na.
Ha? Pero ganyan lang talaga. Ano ba?
It's not lesser.
I-off muna natin, ha?
No.
Hindi, kailangan ko lang yun. Ganyan lang.
It's still on.
Okay. Well, ganyan. So, what's next? Yan, no? So, dito daw. So, ngayon, lalagyan po natin siya ng cornstarch. No? We're going to use cornstarch para lumapot po yung ating sauce. No? Yan, gamit po tayo ng cornstarch. Kailangan natin yung filter. Tapos, we can add actually our more chicken cube. Ganyan na yung kasi mamaya. Tapos, okay. Then, syempre, we're going to do egg. Bibit natin yung 3 itlog. Ready na po natin. Tapos, yung ating one soy, kukuha lang po tayo ng konti. Okay. Tapos, yan siya, no? We can actually add our egg. Nalagyan po natin ng paminta. Para medyo mas maano ang kanyang ano. Then we can add also salt. Tapos, ilalagay na po natin yung ating one soy. Tapos, lalagay po tayo ng cornstarch soup na na-dissolve sa water. Yan po siya. Patapos na po yung ating luto. We can add pa our egg. Sayang din naman. So, we'll wait 1 minute to simmer. Ayan siya. So, madali lang po talaga gawin yung ating egg drop soup, no? All the ingredients, to sum it up, is water, or chicken broth, water, the broth chicken, they have the egg, the ginger, the carrot, the green leafy, this is okay already done. So, yan siya. Ayan. Luto na po yung ating egg drop soup, no? So, yan na po siya. So, we're going to add our one so in the middle. So that's it. So this is our lunch food for today once again. So thank you very much for continuing watching my Kusina ni Momshie. Yes, and we're already done for our lunch recipe for today. It's egg drop soup. So smells good already. So this is my recipe for today for my Kusina ni Momshie. So maraming salamat po, and thank you for subscribing and liking my Facebook and of course my YouTube channel. So had a blessed Sunday everyone, and to all Momshie out there. Thank you and goodbye.